Good morning, good evening, good afternoon to everyone from around the world. Solid Nate here. Solid Nate Money, yes, I am back again. It's been a while. I was thinking about this. I'm like, this is video like what is this, guys? Video number like 6 or something. I've been away for a long time, and that doesn't mean I've not been loving the markets and doing a lot with the markets. I've been highly involved in the markets each and every day. And right now my big update for everybody is this is a trader's market. I can't remember a market that's been better for traders for a long time, maybe back in like 2008, 2009 or something, but this right now is a trader's market. There's a lot of volatility. It's up and down. You know, you can't really count on much. But if you know what you're doing with charts, which I'm not the best at, but I'm getting better, I'm learning, you can do great trades. And this is the time where, for example, I have a few accounts. I have my main account, which is pretty much long positions. I have stocks and I keep them, you know, and it's just, I don't do a ton of trading in that account, you know. That's my one account. And I have two other accounts, a Webull and a Robinhood, where I pretty much exclusively trade options in those. And I'm not kidding, guys. I mean, those accounts, I've been making 5, 6, 7% a day. My Robinhood account, actually, I started with $2,500. That is right now at $8,000, and that's been in like 3 weeks, okay? So it's been crazy. I got super lucky on one of these. I mean, you can call it luck or skill or some both. I'm going to call it a little bit of both. But yeah, Snapchat. I own Snapchat in my main account. And so I know that it got up to like 80. I think I bought in at about 60. It got up to like 80. And it fell as low as I think, like, gosh, like $23 or something. It got really low. They were just dumping really hard before their earnings report date. It was on the date of their earnings report. They were dropping so much. And so I'm like, let me buy some calls on this. I'm like, I don't know, maybe they'll really blow it out of the water. And so I think I bought like the 28 calls on Snapchat, and it was down to like 23. And I bought these, and I thought to myself, I'm like, what the heck am I doing? I'm like, there's no way this is ever gonna work out. They expired like the next day, basically, after the earnings report. So I'm like, they're gonna have to go up like 20%. For this to work. I'm not even sure 20% would have actually profited. But Snapchat actually went up 60% after their earnings report, and so I had, I think, 3 or 4 contracts, and so I made 550% or so on each of those contracts. So that was like a huge thing that helped me double my account, and now it's tripled, or even more than tripled my account right now. So what I'm really trying to do is I want to get that up to 25K, whether that be from new money or just making trades. But the problem with doing this in and out trading stuff is you can only have 3 day trades a month, or a week, I mean. And so it really limits you, because with options, I think the best way to do it is just in and out the same day and not hold a lot of stuff overnight, you know. So that is what I've been doing. Trading's been so fun. Trading's a lot of fun. So it's a trader's market, and that's pretty much my update, guys. So have a great day. We're crawling out of this winter. And it looks like the Fed wants to start a new winter, maybe. I don't think they want to crash the market, but they're going to be raising interest rates, I think, in March. It's highly expected, and so I don't know why they wouldn't. So I think we're going to get a quarter point, I think, in March. And they claim they're going to try to do 4 or 5 in 2022. So it'll be really interesting to see if they actually do that. And what the market's going to do. You know, that's the big headwinds. And we had some major crashes because of that too, though. So is the worst over? I don't know. There's a guy named Meet Kevin on YouTube that he sold 99% of his positions. He has like $40 million. And he sold all of that. And so he's very nervous. There's plenty of people that are nervous. I'm not sure. I have to look at his video what he's so nervous about. Supply strain stuff, supply chain strain, I mean. Things like that. But anyway, guys, I can't say I'm bullish. I can't say I'm bearish, but I'm bullish on trading. So Basically, really quick, let me tell you my strategy before I go. What I've been really having success with is if a stock is extremely overbought or oversold. And so I look at the RSI. And when it goes above like the price, when it goes above like the RSI numbers that it shouldn't be at, like I think it's like 80 and 20. If the RSI goes above 80, I buy puts. If it goes below 20, I buy calls. And so I've been buying options and then trying to sell them quite quickly. And so it's very common to buy an option and it can go up to 100% or 50% from what you paid it for, just like that. You know, these options move extremely fast. They're very volatile. And so if you can get it right, it can be very profitable too. And there's a lot of guys doing it. I follow this Discord called Kane Capital. And there's some monsters in there. There's this guy named Stock Sniper. Stock Sniper is actually his name. And he's just a badass. Every day he's making these great trades. You know, he's just collecting so much money. I wonder how much money he's playing with. But anyways, guys, that's enough. That's a long one from me. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later.